Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to be doing our first autocross event in the Camaro, and I'm pretty excited to see what this car can actually do. You can see the track right behind me. We got a lot of cars in front and behind me. We have some S2000s, some Mach 1 Mustangs, other 1LEs, some Miatas, Civic Type Rs. We're not competing against each other. This is more of a point A to point B, just try to get your own time. Definitely excited to see what this car can do, so let's get into it.
Over there, do it over there. So you fucking get burnt, though. So make sure you put something on that. You're like, my skin, yeah, I don't really get burnt. You don't really get burnt? I get burnt quick. I mean, it's not bad. I just get dark. Like that. And it's very difficult to hit that shit good. Group 1, right? I think what happened is...
Ready?
did, right? That means I put it.
You're gonna put more sunblock on? So I just got done with this autocross. It was a lot of fun. Glad to have that experience. Got to learn a lot about my car. Definitely need better tires for the rear. The car likes to slide quite a bit. I was struggling to figure out what PTM mode I wanted to put my car in. The very first race I started with the PTM in race mode, and it had the least amount of intervention, but I did catch myself spinning quite a bit. So I went ahead and dropped it to Sport 2, then I skipped Sport 1 and went to dry and tried that out. and after dry I went right back to race mode. And I think I like race mode the most, and the reason why is because traction control is really intervening a lot with my throttle. Every time I try to get on the throttle out of a corner, it was just breaking up. The car just didn't want to go. Traction control just kept interfering. So I prefer to have it off and just really try to work the throttle to the best of your ability. And you know, it was just me versus the tires is essentially what it was. Overall, I think the car performed pretty well. I think I mean, this car is not tailored for the autocross, it's more tailored for the road course. We're obviously not going to beat the Miatas on the autocross, but you know, I think this car held its own. It seems like the only upgrade I really need are tires. If I can get a better set of rear tires, I mean, this car would really appreciate that. I'm spinning like crazy, even just on weight transfers. Just on the weight transfer of a corner, I feel the car trying to slide a little bit, and I'm being pretty aggressive. And I already pre-registered for the next event, which is in May. And I don't know if I'll still be on this particular set when I go to do that, but I still have some more to learn on this tire set, and I know I was improving. My worst time was my first lap, and my best lap was my last session. So I definitely made improvements as I progressed, and it's just about learning your car. So I'm definitely going to hit the autocross more often and continue to try to learn my vehicle.